Welcome to life and love in the Philippines. Today we're going to open up the 3-burner cook stove that we got. We went and we got the propane tank, which is sitting over here. Got that filled up, and we got a new one, 20-pound tank. Certification on these is good for 12 years, by the way. If anybody's interested in that information. And we're going to go ahead and get this cook stove out of the box. Got it?
Got it.
Got it.
Yeah, you're right, Mike. There's not a whole lot to it.
Yeah, I didn't think there would be,
I was wrong.
but you never know. Whoa, y'all heard that, right? That was Mr. Phil saying he's wrong. I got lucky and got right. Okay. So, get the hose out there. Get that little paper down there for me, please. What is this? $200 cash back. Huh. Oh well, something I'll never win. Anyway, this is what we're looking at. We're looking at right here. Got 3 burners, 1 burner, 2 burners, 3 burners. You want to grab that instruction manual down there? That's probably important.
Yeah.
It's a whole 4 pages long, and part of it's in French. Or Latino. Well, it says, doesn't really say anything. So it's going to be easy to set up. Just back these out, I think.
Yep.
And I want to look at one. What, you got a hold of it?
Yeah, I got it.
So yeah, it's just not much. It's just no holes in it or whatnot. It's just going to go in there and get the pin, put pressure on it. The hardest part's going to be putting on the hose, I guess. That's the toughest thing. It's just a set screw, easily done, not much to it.
Shove it and start it.
And you could actually use it without the legs if you want to, but that may be something to do. Haven't figured that out yet. It's a decent height. It's not like cooking on mom's stove, but it's plenty high enough. And for our cooking videos. And we need to put the tank on.
Gotta put the hose on first.
Well, I meant the hose. That's what I actually meant with the hose. There. Pretty simple. Good. Go ahead and put it on. I just want to swing this around for the folks so they can see what's going on. So, Mr. Phil is putting on the knobs, not doing anything. There's rocket science there.
No. You just push on.
Right, they just push on, no big deal. And this has the ferrule fitting. Get it tightened down. And we'll need some sort of
Crescent wrench.
wrench. So let me go grab a wrench right quick. So we're back with the wrench, a pair of pliers actually. And all we're doing is tightening this down. It's designed for this purpose. You want it tight, but not too tight. Gotta use some common sense. Strip these fine threads right out. I think we got a gas leak. So if you get Mr. Phil to bring the tank over, we'll find out if we've actually done anything. What's our burners look like? Are they on, off? Did you put them on right? They're only one way?
They're only one way.
Right. So I've got turned off. Want to grab a lighter or something?
I got the middle one. Let's shut this fan off. Which one is it, Mike?
That's okay. Leave it. Just set it on the desk, Phil.
Which one is it?
Just the long one. One more.
Pulls a lot harder than mine.
Yeah. I can hear it.
Yep, hers should work.
The lights right up?
Yes, it does. I like that you can adjust.
Okay, don't adjust it right now. Yeah, I can adjust it too.
Yeah.
Alright, now see what that is up yonder.
What?
Turn your valve.
Oh, okay. That's going on high.
Yeah, but when it's burning yellow, it's too much.
Yeah.
So, it's got an adjuster here on the
Tank?
tank connector. On the what is this called? Regulator.
Regular, that's it.
That's what it's called. It's called the regulator.
Yeah.
Right? And it seems to work fine. Let's try the other burner.
Here you go.
Taking a minute for them all to come through. And let's try to get the last one. Bring it up a little bit, please. Oh yeah, I think we got a good deal here.
Uh-oh.
Everything looks good, so that's pretty much it, folks. We got it together. This is going to be for our cooking video. Go ahead and shut it down, Mr. Bill. And we'll end up putting that in here somewhere where we can get a good camera view on it. But thanks for looking in, everybody. Like and comment, share these videos, and subscribe. I want you to subscribe, okay? I'll see y'all later. Toodaloo, toodaloo. Simple enough. Simple enough. Well, here's the front view of it as well. Of course, it's got the little styrofoam. There's no static electricity. I get to clean my floor again. So we also picked up, this is for canning jars. Just keep the jars off the bottom of your boiler. And I got that for future use. I got some bamboo skewers. We'll do a little grill. And then we also got a 7-inch cleaver. Be good for hacking up meats, and hopefully it's sharp enough to use as a chef knife also. But we're probably going to have to find the Oriental style that's really meant to be a chef knife. And we also got this little pocket thermometer. And these things are pretty handy dandy to have when you're cooking. Got a griddle. It's double-sided. Use it on either side. Pretty cool. Get that on the grill over here. Already pre-seasoned. That fits perfectly. And a large cast iron skillet. I'm a fan of cast iron. I love to cook in them. They're not perfectly even to heat, but they're more even than most. Then when you apply a gas flame to it, better off as opposed to electric like my stove there. So that's it, folks. Thanks for looking in.